Hi, this is Ravi Dahia. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about how to best treat acne scars, and specifically that's with Bellafill. I've been treating acne scars throughout my practice. When I first started, we had relatively limited options. The main treatments at that time were either laser resurfacing, dermabrasion, not microdermabrasion, but actual dermabrasion, which is where we are essentially sanding the skin. And then later, other things like microneedling and different types of lasers have come into the field over time. And I would say that although some of those treatments do provide modest results, they're quite modest, and some of those treatments are not suitable for everyone. So especially the aggressive lasers, for example, are just not an option for a lot of different skin types. So that's where Bellafill comes in. Over the last few years, I've started to use Bellafill a lot more as part of my practice as a whole for adding volume to the face, but specifically for acne scarring, it's really become the #1 treatment choice that we can offer. Bellafill offers a lot of advantages over the other treatments, actually less recovery time certainly than a laser, and just simply better results and much longer lasting results. And that's because Bellafill is actually stimulating a patient's own collagen. So we're using that collagen to literally lift up and fill in the individual acne scars, and then that collagen stimulation results in a resurfacing and tightening and improvement of the skin texture as a whole. So the outer skin texture is improved, and we're filling in those little depressions as well. So it's really become a remarkable treatment option for acne scarring patients. I would say that on average, it's at least 50% better, if not sometimes 100% better than a lot of the other treatment options. So I hope you found the information on acne scarring useful today. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You'll find some more information on our Instagram and Facebook accounts where we'll show before and afters of some of the patients we've treated with the Bellafill that we talked about earlier today. Thanks very much for joining us.